Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's head over to Downieville, California. Located at 203 Main Street is the St. Charles Place Bar, and situated on the corner of the building is where we'll find our next historical clamper marker. So let's go ahead and take a look at Craycroft Building. Craycroft Building. Originally a log building constructed in 1850 by John Craycroft and Company, it housed the famous Craycroft Saloon, which boasted a 70-foot bar made from one ripsawed board. Destroyed by fire on February 19, 1852, it was immediately replaced by the present brick and stone structure. In the early days, the building housed the Court of Sessions, the Masons, Sierra Citizen and Mountain Echo newspapers, La Belle Restaurant, and the jail. Dedicated August 23, 1980, by Downey Chapter Number 1849, Eclampus Vitus.